We will be making a creamy oyster mushroom dish today. I have 300 grams of oyster mushrooms. I thoroughly washed them and left them to drain. I am removing the seeds and the white bits of half of a sweet red pepper. Then I will chop it in small pieces. I am now finely chopping an onion. I am cutting the rinsed and drained mushrooms in strips. Now I am sautéing them in a saucepan. I am not using any oil. I am stirring it from time to time until the mushroom strips turn golden brown. After they change color a little, I am adding the finely chopped onion to the pan. Then I am adding the red pepper chops and putting the lid on. When the pepper and the onion soften a little, I am stirring it and putting the lid back on again. I am sprinkling some salt and dried mint on it. When it finishes sautéing, I am adding 200 ml of double cream to the pan, and I am leaving it to sauté for a couple of minutes more. You shouldn't leave it for too long as the cream would burn. Let's turn the heat off and serve it. Enjoy!